What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on GMT, which is currently dropping in value, and as you can see 3% down, making it $2.17. Yes, earlier this morning we did have a little pump up in value, reaching 243, and straight away coming back down in value. A lot of people are asking me what is going on with this crypto, guys. It keeps going up, down, it's being very volatile. It's like playing games. So what is the next target? Will it drop below the $2 mark? Will it go above the $3 mark? So on and so on. So these are some of the questions I'm going to be answering in today's video, looking at my predictions, my takes on this crypto over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. What potential does GMT have, even though it's still very, very early on in the project? As you may know, it was only launched just about a month ago. It's still very early. So is it a trustworthy crypto, as most of you guys are asking? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, in the last hour dropped nearly 2%, last 24 hours 3%, last week 30%, and over the month is still 1,200% up. But when we look at the a shorter picture, it is down, and it looks like it is going to get worse, but we'll have a look. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone down by nearly 30% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.5 billion, meaning still a lot of people are still trading it. It's a huge amount of money still being traded on this crypto. However, it has gone down massively compared to about a couple of days ago when it was about $45 billion. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the GMT candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which is what I'm going to be using to do the technical analysis. But what we're going to do now is hide it and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price predictions. So we are currently looking at the hourly chart. What I'm going to do is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and possibly weekly chart, but we'll have a look. So zooming in here, as you can clearly see, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking a little bit bearish, going towards a negative direction. So it is looking a little bit negative at the moment. Looks like more drops are on the way for GMT over the next couple of hours. So again, I'm not saying it's going to be a huge drop or a huge decrease in value over the next couple of hours. We are going to see pumps in between, we are going to see peaks, but the overall outcome seems to be again more on the negative side. So possibly heading towards the $2 mark. I'm not saying it's going to drop all the way down to $2, but heading towards there. So possibly about 210, 2.8, somewhere around there. Those of you guys who are in my Telegram group chat, I did warn you guys yesterday that I did buy some GMT. Again, I'm not going to reveal at what amount, so on and so on. If you're part of the Telegram group chat, you would know. But again, if you guys want to join it, all the link, all the details are in the description box down below. You can click that to join it. So moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here once the chart decides to load up? So yeah, we got kind of a better signal, but it's still, look at one of the lines, the blue line is obviously looking bearish, going in a negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, going towards a positive direction. So an overall probably fluctuation is what is expected. Yes, we are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to be once again being neutral. So possibly hovering around the 215 to 225 over the next couple of days. So towards mid next week and end of next week, we should expect it to fluctuate at the current price range. However, as I keep mentioning, it's still very early on in this project, guys. I won't be able to do the long-term prediction, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on GMT, just to give you guys the most up-to-date, latest information and accurate predictions as much as I can. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on GMT, and let's get straight into the Fibonacci scale and get rid of the MACD indicator. And let's have a look here. As you can see, it's been fluctuating around this target here, which is the $1.27. It's been up and down, as you can see, down, up, and currently going back down, and possibly will go back up as well, but it is likely to come back down. It's basically like a wave, guys, like a roller coaster, up and down, but more or less fluctuating around the $127 mark. Sorry, 127, what am I talking about? No, not 127, not here, sorry guys, I was talking about the 220 mark. So hovering around the 220 mark, that is where it's hovering around, and right now trading at 218. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, it's going to be hovering around this current price target over the next couple of days. But again, I will keep you guys updated, guys. today's video is going to be quite short. I'm going to end it here. It was just a quick one on GMT. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave it a like, and if you didn't, leave it a like as well. So either way, go down and smash the like button and let me know what your predictions and what your takes are on GMT. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.